In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Uber Eats link. This process is really useful when you want to invite friends or family to join a food order. It allows everyone to pick what they want while keeping everything organized. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Uber Eats app. You will see a colorful interface showcasing various restaurants and food options. If you have not logged in yet, now is a good time to enter your credentials. This is important because logging in ensures your account settings and payment information are ready for use. After you get past the login screen, you are all set to explore the app. Next, choose a restaurant. You can scroll through various options or use the search function at the top. When you find a restaurant that catches your eye, tap on it to view the menu. This step is significant because it sets the stage for your group order. You want to ensure you pick a place that has a variety of choices to satisfy everyone's cravings. Once you have selected a restaurant, tap on Group Order or Start Group Order. This button is usually prominently displayed on the restaurant's page. By tapping this, you initiate the group order process. This feature is great because it allows multiple people to participate in the same order, which makes dining together more enjoyable and seamless. Now, you may see an optional section where you can set a spending limit, order deadline, or choose whether you'll pay for everyone or let guests pay for their own items. These options can help manage expectations and keep everyone on the same page. Setting a spending limit is particularly helpful to avoid surprises when it comes time to check out. You can also establish a deadline to ensure everyone has time to make their selections before the order is finalized. After you've set your preferences, tap Invite Guests or Share a Link. This action allows you to send an invitation to others so they can join your group order. You'll notice options for various sharing methods such as messages, mail, or other apps. It's convenient because you can choose the platform that works best for you and your friends. Next, choose how you'd like to share the link. For example, if you select messages, you can directly send it to your contacts. If you opt for mail, you can type in email addresses. This flexibility ensures that everyone can easily access the order link no matter which app they prefer to use. Once you send the link, you will see a confirmation appear that the invite has been successfully shared. Remember, everyone who receives the link can add their own items to the shared cart. This collaboration allows each person to select what they want, ensuring that the final order includes everyone's favorites. It also helps to avoid any miscommunication, making the experience more enjoyable for all participants. When everyone is finished adding their items, the host reviews the order, locks it, and places the order. This final step is crucial because it ensures that everything is accurate before payment is made. It gives you a chance to double-check and confirm that everyone's selections are included. By following these steps, sharing an Uber Eats link becomes a simple and efficient process. You can enjoy a meal with friends or family, all while keeping the order organized and hassle-free. Happy ordering!